um, talk a little bit about some of the science that supports this. And of course, science is constantly changing, and people are constantly running new experiments. So, part of this is what we know and feel in our bodies to be true, right? And that can't always be necessarily proved by science. So, some of this is just great supporting evidence or things that show, what we're doing here in this work. And the first part of this is the sound vibration, the frequencies. And, what we're doing in this work is tapping into different frequencies, right? And holding frequencies or vibrations to allow the client to meet that frequency. We gave that example of if you have 3 violins in a room, you pick one up and you start playing a specific note. That note has a specific frequency, and it begins to vibrate those other violins to that same frequency. That's called entrainment, and that's what we're doing when working with people. We're not pushing energy in them, we're not pulling energy. We're holding a frequency, a vibration, to allow them to come up and meet that frequency or that vibration. And so what this demonstrates is just how different frequencies, different vibrations create different patterns. There's, you can also look at cymoglyphs, which cymoglyphs it's a way that they can capture with a camera the geometrical forms that words or things that we say or sounds that we make create. So this is one of the reasons that mantra is so powerful. When you speak, you literally create mandalas in the space around you. You move the molecules around you to form mandalas, to form different shapes. Very similar to, if you look at Dr. Miyamoto, the hidden
water,
messages in
right.
water. Right, yeah, so he's doing this in water, exposing water to different words, usually Chinese words. I think he did written ones as well, English words. But water's beautiful because it's like a blank slate. It takes on the vibrational frequency of whatever's around it. So when you expose the water to the frequency of that word, and then you freeze it, the crystal that it makes is can be, depending on the word, very ugly or almost not form a crystal to something that's very intricate and beautiful. And so that's the difference between the LVC and the HVC, right? These are different vibrational frequencies that we're tapping into. So do you want to